guys, Jen here from Ravenloo and Paper 2, and I am opening up some Happy Mail, and this one is from Creatively Blessed, who is Anna, and she reached out to me on Instagram and she said, hey, let's swap, and I said, yes, let's do that. And we were really relaxed with it. We just decided to do a memory dex, a pocket letter, a dangle, and anything else we could fit into that loaded envelope. And we decided on a Maggie Holmes theme because we both love Maggie Holmes and gold accents. And let's open this up and see what we have inside here. I am going to just kind of open so you guys can see what is going on. Ooh, she used carousel. I told her that was one of my favorite ones. Look at this. So cute. All right, hold on one second. I'm going to try and unload things without looking at them and come back to you guys in just a second. Alright guys, here it is. I took it out of the box. I didn't open anything, but I couldn't help but see a few things, and I'm super excited. And I guess it is too late to say, oh no, I don't want to swap, because I feel completely intimidated because this is all absolutely gorgeous. Here is her little card that she sent with it, and it just has her information. I'm sorry, I'm out of frame. It just has her information on the bottom there. It has her Instagram and her YouTube. Her Instagram is Creatively Blessed Anna, and I'll put that on the screen, as well as her YouTube, which I will tag her in, which is Anna Sharma Cordemanche, I think is how you say that last name, and I probably butchered it, so I'm very, very sorry about that. Let's go ahead and start opening some things. The first thing I see is, or the easiest thing to get out of the way really, is the sweet treat she sent me. She sent me a little Butterfinger. Thank you very much. If I can keep my children from eating this, I will enjoy it. If not, they will enjoy it. And then this dangle is so colorful, so fun. Let's open it. Alright, also I'm going to try and edit out all of the bag opening and stuff if you guys aren't into the ASMR crazy sounds. I know I'm not, so I'll try and get all of those out of there for you guys. Look at this beautiful hot air balloon bead. I've never seen this one before. This is a gorgeous bead. She has these bright colored stars here. We have it in the blue and the hot pink. There's a little star bead here. I love the rainbow hearts. Sorry, the rainbow hearts. We have the little, I forget what these are called, the like beaded beads, if that makes sense, and then the jeweled ones. All of the fun, wonderful colors that are included in carousel. So pretty. Thank you so much, Anna. Right here she has this adorable ice cream cone container, and it looks like she has made all these beautiful flowers that go inside. I don't know how to open this, and let's hope I don't break it. Okay, and she has all these beautiful handmade flowers right here that she's made using the carousel collection. I could have used these about like a month ago when I made all my stuff for Tony's summer carnival swap, and I used carousel. These are absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so much. Let's see if I can get these back in here, because I don't know what I've done. Then we have this little guy here. We have this cute little dangle on it with the holographic star and this bow, and look at the little ribbon that she's used. It says best day, and we have the little acetate, but it's the holographic acetate. She has another ribbon trim here, and this cute little sparkly, I think this is like a vinyl. They are like a pleather almost of the little rainbow hearts. Bless you, baby. And she has included some die cuts of some tickets and the carousel and the different, I'm so out of frame, I'm sorry guys. It's some carousel and some little ticket die cuts as well. And then here we have this beautiful bit of sequins and the carousel horse picture, the ephemera piece from the carousel collection. This is a little shaker. That's so cute. I like those big iridescent sequins. Those are awesome. Here, let's let you take a quick closer look here. On the front we have the "Oh Happy Day" sentiment. We have the black and white flowers, the carousel ticket, the tent, the Ferris wheel, the enamel dots here, and the little zebra carousel horse as well. It looks like this. It looks like she might have the digital collection, which I love using the digital collection because it is so easy to change the shapes and stuff. Not the shapes, I'm sorry, like the size to kind of fit your project. She has made one of the little, the 3D little beads out of the paper pieces here. She has these cute wire wrapped beads, and then the little ribbons in the pastel colors. This is so gorgeous. I hate to take this apart. Hold on. Hold on one second, guys. Alright, sorry about that. I wanted to take a picture before I unloaded this in case I couldn't get it back in there. Oh my goodness, this is so stuffed. Okay, one of the things we had decided upon was a memory decks, and she has made the most gorgeous memory decks here. Let me open it for you. And he is a chunky little fellow. Look at him. We have the ticket, the shaker ticket here. She's used some of the stickers. We have the XO, the beautiful little stars. I don't know why I couldn't remember the word stars. Sorry about that. In the background here we have layers of the tickets. We have some more of the flowers, these little 3D balloons. And then we have the circus tent, and it looks like we have a little heart rosette and the gorgeous little giraffe guy, and it looks like there's some stickles around his little seat, white saddle, that's the word, saddle. And he's wearing a cute little bow tie. And of course there's some of the little enamel dots as well. So pretty. Next was our pocket letter here. Oh. And she's just packaged it in some of this iridescent packaging. And this is her gorgeous pocket letter. Let's start here at the top. We have all of the cute little tickets. Then she's made a little swan wearing a bow tie and has these beautiful little handmade flowers there, as well as some enamel dots. Here in the middle it looks like we have like a rosette almost, but made out of tulle, and it's the little magical piece from there, and it looks like it's backed on some gold cardstock. Over here we have the kites from the collection. It says magical moments and some cute enamel dots. Right here we have the hello along with the Ferris wheel. Then we have the camera and the picture of the Ferris wheel with the enamel dots. Here on her shaker pocket, she's added the chipboard piece of the actual carousel horse. Let me turn that around so you guys can... Do you see the sequin mix? It's hard to see the sequin mix with the other stuff in the front there. Then we have the circus tent and some more of those gorgeous balloons. These are like... I think they're meant to be like banners with the collection, but the way she's used them, they're cute. They almost remind me of like a doily. And then here on the bottom one we have the zebra little ticket, I'm sorry, the like zebra card, and then the little tickets layered up. Another one of the little giraffe guys, all the beautiful flowers. We have some of these dots, but they're the enamel dots, but they're sparkly. And then we have the gorgeous little bunting she's made here with the unicorn and the bingo card. And then here we have a die cut of the Ferris wheel that she's double layered, and it says celebrate today. And we have some more of those gorgeous little handmade flowers. And for her little tag here, look at the little animals she's included. We have a little rabbit. He's almost like a balloon rabbit. This gorgeous zebra, the music note, and then the swan. So cute. Thank you, Anna. I'm gonna have to get like a binder to put my what do you call them? Pocket letters in. And then she has made me this gorgeous little flag. It's our pennant, however you want to call it. It says hooray. Hold on, let me open here. Like, look at this little guy. He's gonna be so cute on my desk. It's on this yellow and white striped like stir stick, straw, whatever you want to call them. We have the gorgeous little ruffled pom-pom at the bottom and top, and then there's this gorgeous little like yarn trim, and then some eyelash trim in there as well. It's hooray, and it's up on the styrofoam. Or look at her foam. Her foam is pink. Gorgeous pink foam, and it says hooray, and we've used that fun like bright blue paper, pattern paper from the collection. Gorgeous. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And then she's made another embellishment here. I don't know what the name of these are. I can't get through it. So this is like some little ribbons here. We have the paper ribbons, we have actual literal ribbons, and we have the cute little like enamel stickers. This one says happy day. She's got the doily, and then this little baby rosette with a rose on top, and these gorgeous little dots on here as well. I don't actually like making rosettes, so thank you very much. This saves me from having to make at least 2 of them. She has layered them up with the she's layered them up with this gorgeous glitter tulle in the background, and then we have some of the tickets and some of these teeny tiny little details here. The hot air balloon, the Ferris wheel. This one says love you. Over here we have the tent, magical moments, a little picture of the carousel. And then these guys, I saw these a second ago, and the detail on here is crazy. Let me open these. So look at these. She has die cut out the little circus tents. This one has a vellum, like a gold vellum in the back here for the backing. All of this gorgeous gold accents, and then look, she's added the little like gems for each of these little guys. And then this enamel bow on the top of them as well. How am I supposed to use these? I can't use these. I have to hoard these forever and ever and ever. They are absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. Inspiration out the wazoo. Here is one. This one is a little, it's like the it's like the cut apart from the collection, and it's the little carousel horses, and she's got some of that gorgeous pink and gold star tulle underneath the little banner. It says think, and it's got the little bow at the top there. She's made another one of those gorgeous little ribbon embellishments. And this one we have like a sunburst in the back. Then we have the gorgeous little doily, another little baby rosette. And this one says happy, and she's used some actual ribbon along with the paper ribbon. I love the little black and white hearts. How cute are these? And then this guy here. She has this little piece in the back with the little diamond dots. We have the sequin trim, and then we have the ruffle trim. It says magical moments, and then we have another one of the beautiful swans, and it looks like it's got some gold glitter details. And last but not least, she has reused some of the packaging from the Carousel collection here, and she has made little Polaroid shaker frames. Alright, here is the first little shaker Polaroid frame thing she's made, and they are backed in a vellum, a heart vellum, and they've got the gorgeous sequin inside, and then over here on the side we have the little Ferris wheels, some flowers, some tickets. It says ticket to fun, and we've used some of the balloons there as well. And then this one in the gold, we have another gorgeous sequin mix. We have the roller skate and the balloons, and this one says, "Oh, happy day." My goodness, thank you so much for all of this. I feel like I need to spend like another 10 years on making yours to make sure it is just as fabulous. All of the small details, all of the sparkle, everything is absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for reaching out to me and wanting to swap. And thank you for sending me so many gorgeous things. Like I said, half of it I will probably hoard forever. And like, how am I supposed to use it? Because it's too gorgeous to let go. But I absolutely love everything, and thank you once again so much. And you guys go and check out her Instagram, her YouTube. Please show her all the love because she definitely deserves it. And thank you. All right, guys, I will see you on the next video. Bye.